So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create email parser on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for Zoho CRM. Now click on the first website, and after coming on the website you have to log into your account right here and then click on the profile picture icon and then choose access Zoho CRM. Now after that you guys can see this settings icon. Now click on this. Now after that guys, you can see this option right here called email. Now guys, go on this section right here called email parser. Now guys, as you can see, there is a button right here called create your first parser. So before creating your email parser, you will have to know what email parser is. So email parser will help you to extract customer information automatically from their emails. So you just have to create one and name it anything. Let's say I'm naming it Alex, and you can choose for whichever modules you like. Let's say I want to choose leads, and you just have to click on next button, and now you have created your email parser successfully. So that's how you do it guys, and that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.